Hi, I am Zaheen, and in this video I am going to share the world energy outlook and the future demand for the same. Welcome back. In this video I am going to cover the types of energy resources used in the world and the future demand for the same. So let us start from the first aspect, that is the types of energy resources used in the world. So depending upon the continuity of the supply of energy resources available in the world, we can classify the energy resources into two categories. On the left hand side we have the non-renewable energy resources, and on the right hand side we have the renewable energy resources. The main difference between them is the replenishing duration. This is good since it replenishes naturally. On the other hand, this is fixed or stock. It takes millions of years to form. That is why in context to human lifespan, it is referred to as non-renewable energy resources. So let us move on to the usage of energy in the world. The energy experts use MTOE to express the usage of energy in the world. It means this. Well, the current usage reveals coal accounts for about 3,775 MTOE units, and the oil and natural gas accounts for little less than 8,000 units. Next in the list is the renewable energy resources that account for about 1,451 units. And thereafter we have the biomass and then the nuclear energy. They together account for about 1,300 MTOE units. So this was the overall rank-wise usage of energy in the world. In future, most of the energy usage in the world is expected to occur in this part of the world, that is Africa and the Asia. And this will be due to increase in the acceleration in economic growth that has taken place during the last 2 decades, and of course due to the increase in population and the change in lifestyle. Just look at this trend line of carbon dioxide emissions in the world. This has increased from this to this. Now the question is why this figure is important. Well, according to Potsdam Institute of Germany and Virginia Institute of Marine Sciences, this greenhouse gas emission may result in the submergence of land in this part of the world, that is North America, and as well as in the Europe. And of course that will be due to the melting of glaciers. For more detail you can kindly refer the link. So all this suggests getting to net zero emissions will require unwavering support from all the countries of the world. For there is a COP conference under the umbrella of UNFCCC. This framework is mainly designed to reduce the carbon dioxide emission in the world, basically the climate change. So for this you can also refer this. Let us see the energy consumption pattern in the world. According to British Petroleum, out of this much of MTOE, 43% energy in the year 2018 was consumed by Asia and Oceania, in which China consumed around 23% of the total energy of the world, and India just 5.6% energy of the world. So this tree map reveals the region-wise energy consumption disparity of the world. And similarly, this shows the global electricity production disparity in the world. According to International Energy Agency, the global electricity production increased from 3.9% to reach this figure. And this 64% of the electricity was produced by the consumption of fossil fuel resources, which again creates a serious challenge for the policymakers and the planners of the world with regard to the climate change. This is the list of largest electricity consuming countries of the world. They together account for more than 2/3 of the global energy consumption. Can you answer which country is the largest overall energy consumer in the world? Now let us come to the future. Various reports suggest that by the year 2030, the energy demand will increase to more than 15,000 MTOE. That will be more than 40% from the figure of 1990s. Energy experts believe that the population growth will remain one of the key driver of the future energy demand. So for our common future, it is high time to think about the green energy resources or the green technologies. That's all for today. Kindly like my video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for listening and watching. Bye bye.